Hi friends, Namaste. What is IDEC? IDEC stands for International Democratic Education Conference. It is a gathering of hundreds of people from around the world representing different continents, different countries, different cultures, different religions, different values, traditions, coming together, converging at a place and talking about the way of life, the way of education, and how schools should run, how alternative processes can be included in a conventional systems to cater to the needs of the students, of the parents, and of the teachers. This is an exceptional conference as it is your conference by you and for you. It is a conference that emphasizes on giving that freedom for all the participants to express their ideas, their values, their notions on various different subject matters in a respected, in a peaceful and cohesive manner. So, what is special about IDEC 2023? IDEC 2023 is happening in Nepal. It is organized by Aurobindo Yoga Mandir. It is an ashram, a community of more than 200 people living together, adults and students, a thriving community based on the principles of Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo was a great leader, a master, a spiritual master, a revolutionary, a philosopher. And he came up with the integral education, which aligns very much with finding true freedom of an individual through completely mastering, knowing, understanding the various different dimensions of human life. Because human life is not only this body, not only this mind, but rather all the vital, the energy body, but there is a deeper sense that is in each of us, the psychic and the spiritual aspect. So that is special about IDEC 2023, that it is organized by Sri Aurobindo Yoga Mandir in Nepal. And Nepal is special, you see, special in the sense that it is, of course, land of Himalayas, gigantic Himalayas, Lord of Buddha, the propounder of the messenger of peace. And it is happening in the suburb of Kathmandu Valley. Therefore, you will be able to experience the modern life and the very old way of life in Nepal, that is village life, right? So all of them, how everything can be, you will be able to experience both of them in one place. So that is another special aspect. And the other aspect is that IDEC 2023 is going to be the confluence of ideas, confluence of cultures from around the world. So there will be ideas that the East or Nepali culture, Indian culture, Japanese culture, Korean culture, they will be representing their own way of freedom and democracy. And also we have people from Europe, America, to share us about their values of democracy. And this is going to be a wonderful confluence. Therefore, it is very, very special. The dates of the conference are from 15th of October to 20th of October, and it is extended from 20th to 23rd, what we call as the Himalayan IDEC. Will be inviting you to join trekking and being in the mountains and have the panoramic view of the Himalayas and talk about education right at the plateau or right at the hilltop or the mountain top, with lovely people around to network, to talk and so on. And as you know, IDEC is your conference for you and by you. So therefore you are free to choose what you want to do. We have hundreds of activities that include talks, meetups, chit chat, networking, cultural shows, small group talks and so on. So you can also conduct all of those things freely and express your ideas and let it actually Be outside. Bring that out, right? So that is a wonderful opportunity that you have. How to register? You can visit our website www.idecnepal.org. There you can register and find more information. And yes, why IDEC 2023 is very special is that you can build, it is like an opportunity that you have to be with a community, a diverse community that share diversity but are together because of the values that it shares. Diversity, unity in diversity, or Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world indeed is one family. And let me sign off by saying that one of the first principles of education by Sri Aurobindo, that nothing can be taught. Everything comes from within. And it is through that awakening of oneself that is within us, there is this aspiration, that is the burning fire within us, that wants to move towards something, that wants to be infinite, that wants to experience in totality, that true education happens. Therefore, IDEC is a very, very special moment for all of us. It completes its, I think, 30 years now. So therefore, IDEC 2023 is very, very special. People from around the world, more than 500 people are coming and joining us. 40 plus speakers from different section of the society, professors, activists, educators, entrepreneurs, spiritual masters, they're all joining us. So why not join us as well? Thank you very much. Please do join us, okay? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and nothing can be taught. Let's align the conference along those lines and join.